Japan is a machine learning paradise. There are 4 possible reasons why AI professionals are now focusing their attention on Tokyo. First, the Japanese government is favorably disposed toward United States AI companies. The global AI industry currently has 3 hubs: the United States, Europe, and China. The Japanese government has an understanding attitude toward United States AI companies. Some United States AI companies believe that having Japan on their side in international politics may give them some advantages. OpenAI's Sam Altman is said to have made a courtesy call to Japan as the company's CEO. Second, Japan has the advantage of hiring AI personnel for relatively small salaries. The average annual salary for an engineer in Japan is approximately 6 million yen, $38,000. While the average salary in San Francisco is $155,000, establishing a company in Japan is a low-cost way to hire talented engineers. For your information, display a graph comparing Big Mac prices in different countries as of January 2024. The price of one Big Mac was $5.69 in the US versus $3.17 in Japan. Currently, Japan is in a very weak yen situation. Third, Japanese copyright law is well suited for AI research. This is because learning by AI using copyrighted works is widely permitted without obtaining permission from the copyright holders. While most foreign countries have some restrictions, few countries allow AI learning as freely as Japan does. Renowned AI researcher Yann LeCun, considered one of the 3 fathers of deep learning, exclaimed that Japan is a machine learning paradise. He said, "The important idea of copyright law is to maximize the interests of the public, not to maximize the interests of content owners." Fourth, many foreign engineers like Japanese anime culture and other aspects of Japanese culture. An engineer from India told me that despite the low salary in Japan, he came to Japan because he liked Japanese culture such as anime. The cost of living in Japan is low, the country is safe and secure, and crime is low. There are no gun incidents, the cities are clean and the food is delicious, which are advantages.
The population of Japanese in 2023 will be 123.3 million, ranking 12th in the world. In addition, the percentage of the elderly population in Japan in 2022 will be 29.1% of the total population, the highest in the world. The proportion of the elderly in Japan is expected to continue to rise, reaching 35.3% by 2040.
Thus, as Japan's population ages, health checkups and medical checkup programs for the elderly are becoming extremely important. Furthermore, Japan's medical care system is a universal health insurance system, which allows citizens to receive necessary medical services whenever and whoever they need. Only 30% of the cost is to be paid at the counter. In addition, infants and people over 70 years of age are required to pay an even lower co-payment rate of 10 to 20% under this system. Despite the overwhelmingly large number of CT and MRI machines per population, the number of radiologists specializing in diagnostic imaging per population is low. In this respect, diagnostic imaging support by AI is considered to be useful. However, the number of SIMDs, software as a medical device, approved by the PMDA, Japan's equivalent of the FDA, is far fewer than in Europe and the United States. As of October 2023, the cumulative number of SIMDs approved is only 377. This is a serious problem in Japan. In Japan, apart from the medical insurance system, there is a comprehensive medical checkup system called Ningen Doc to detect diseases without subjective symptoms and abnormalities in the body that may cause diseases in the future at an early stage, and to provide early treatment and prevention.
Ningen Doc is an unrestricted medical service and is not covered by medical insurance. The number of recipients of physical checkups has been about 3 million each year in Japan. The diagnostic imaging services that include various options: chest X-ray, brain MRI, DWIBS, diffusion-weighted whole-body imaging with background body signal, whole-body PET, coronary CT, cardiac MRI, echocardiography, chest CT, mammography, breast US, abdominal US, etc. The fee for an MRA examination at Ninghan Dock varies depending on the facility and menu, but the market price ranges from 30,000 yen to around 70,000 yen.
For these individual diagnostic imaging procedures, the currently developed diagnostic imaging support systems, such as deep learning, are expected to be useful, and their widespread use is anticipated. Today, Japan suffers from a digital backwardness, especially in public administration. Due to an absolute shortage of programmers and a sluggish economy, for this reason, the Japanese government has finally made computer education, including programming, mandatory for elementary and junior high school students starting in 2019. However, it will take 5 to 10 years for the number of programmers in Japan to start increasing in earnest. Japan's prospects as an E-oriented country are still uncertain, however, taking into account Japan's cultural background and past creator background. It is expected that things will gradually start moving in the right direction in the next few years.